So there is a certain rise in police brutality in Goa. There was first case in Margao.
We have seen.
And yesterday there was another incident. Do you think because the CM, the Home Minister is ill, there is some law and order problem in Goa?
There is no law and order problem, but definitely I will make a letter today to the Director General of Police asking him to inquire in both these incidents which has happened. A football fan was assaulted by a policeman. Second incident was yesterday. So this thing should not happen. For that, necessary orders which has to go from DGP's office to SPs, to device Ps, to PIs, and take review meetings of this constabulary staff and give them some warnings on this respect. If there is a law-breaking incident, that person can be caught and taken to the police station. And if he has done some offense, arrest him and put him in the locker. Don't hit him. Hitting is not the solution. No person will change. Marit जाल्यार change जायना कोण. So हे म्हाका दिसता पुलिसांनी पोवपाक जाय. But police taking law in their hand is not acceptable.